January is Stalking Awareness Month, an annual call to action to recognize and respond to a dangerous crime impacting millions. Joe Kwon takes a closer look at how a local group is standing in solidarity with survivors.
That's a sound Tammy couldn't escape.
I would get hundreds of calls
every day.
I would get hundreds of emails.
It didn't stop there.
There would be times that you come home and your plants are rearranged or something, and you're just kind of having that icky feeling of okay, this could have just been neighborhood kids, or was he here?
He is Tammy's stalker, a man she used to date. Following their breakup, she says the man started stalking her in 2020. Despite having a restraining order, Tammy says it has continued on for years.
Yeah, sometimes it feels like you can't fully relax.
A constant state of fear, or what Dr. Michael Chan of Providence St. Joseph Hospital says is chronic stress.
It leads to high adrenaline and cortisol levels and has a really physiological response on the body. So it leads to things like high blood pressure, higher heart rates, it affects the immune system, inflammation.
Tracking more than 66,000 women over 2 decades, researchers from Harvard University found those who had been stalked were 41% more likely to develop heart disease. For those who obtained restraining orders, the risk jumped to 70%. Tammy says the situation took a toll on her health.
Looking back, I've looked at numbers of my health, and from 2020 to about 2022, it just went down.
The cardiologist says the study just adds to existing data that links emotional stress to heart disease.
Your body's under this constant fight or fight response, and if you're in that chronically, the body starts to wear down over time.
And he says it's important for people under chronic stress, like stalking, to reach out for help.
Your friends, your family, your physicians, your healthcare team, your church, your pastors, get as much, there's resources out there available for you.
And that's exactly what Tammy did. She turned to Human Options, an organization that has helped those affected by domestic violence since 1981. Tammy says the group helped provide a pro bono lawyer to help get a restraining order, helped pay for a fence to put around her home, and provided other support. She also installed some cameras and got a dog for protection.
Sometimes when you're in the process of having a stalker, it feels like it's never going to end and there's not help out there. But there is.
It's what helped her have the courage to share her story. So she says those who may be going through it too know it can get better.